Hey guys, welcome to this unboxing. Today we have this beauty that just came in the mail today. It is the Ryzen 9 3900X CPU. For me, this will be a bit of a step up because right now I'm running the AMD 6300 Zambezi 6-core from about 6 years ago now. So I can't wait to get started. So let's jump on in. So we've got this nice thick plastic sheeting, which is perfect because it's raining outside, and the box that it came in was kind of soggy. So also we don't want to put this plastic bag on our face, so do not use it as a face mask to keep the COVID away. You might die. All right, there we have it. The plastic sheathing is off. Let's go ahead and get this guy open. What do we got? Here's the box. Very nice. Beautiful. Alright. Nice looking box. Feels pretty heavy. Can't wait to jump on it. Let's go ahead and open it up. Looks like there's one seal on the back here. So we got to cut that guy open. Alright, here we go. My trusty tool here. So let's go ahead and cut this guy open. Uh-oh. Can't return it now. It's been opened. Get this guy out of the way. Move this guy front and center. Built to perform, designed to win. Okay, box is open. What do we have inside? Let's take a look. Ooh, very nice. Nice little sticker here. There's the chip. Looking beautiful. Can't wait to put some thermal paste on that guy. Very nice. Let's take it out. Alright, so there's the purchase right there. Look at that guy. Beautiful. 3900X. Excellent. Can't wait to put this guy to work. Look at that sticker. Kind of small. I'd like a bigger decal, but that's alright. That's kind of nice. Alright, what else we got in the box? So we've got our CPU and sticker right there. Got this foam padding here. Okay. Nice. I'll use that for, I don't know. Got some manuals, literature to read. Excellent. Nice. Oh, here's the included heat sink, the Wraith heat sink. Alright, I think most people will be using a liquid cooling unit anyway, but it's nice that it comes with a cooler. So let's go ahead and open this guy up. Nice. Ooh, yeah. Alright, so got our fan cable here. Excellent. Or USB cable. This is probably for the lights, I think. Put that on the side for now. Alright, so there's our cooler. It's got a lot of copper. It's like, oh, it already comes with a strip, but sometimes those are hit or miss in terms of cooling. Alright, there's our fan. Very nice. Nice looking, heavy cooler. So I'll probably put, I don't have a liquid cooler purchase yet. Still waiting on my board, but that's what comes in the box with that. I'll post a video later on to see what it looks like when it's plugged in. It gives me the sense that these probably light up. I think they're colorful rainbow lights, and so that's what comes in the box. We got the fan. The box is empty. Any other surprises in here? Nope, nothing else. So we've got our heat sink and fan. We've got this cable, which I think is probably for the LEDs. I'm not sure. We've got this guy, our chip. This is the basically what we paid for. This tiny little chip right here. Can't wait to drop in my motherboard. And our decal. And of course, the literature, which comes with important installation instructions, which, you know, I think I got this without reading that, but you never know. A refresher never hurts. It has been a while since I installed my Zambezi. So here we go. that's what comes in the box. I hope that helps. I'm planning on putting this guy into the MSI X570 Meg Unify board, but that won't get here for another week. Like all of the X570 boards are out of stock everywhere now, so I'm looking forward to getting that, to dropping this in there so I can see how it runs. Can't wait to do some benchmarks and play around with this. But that is the chip. Let me know what boards you guys are thinking about using, and thanks for watching.